Minecraft error code drowned login block error fix issue. An error has occurred. Search help.minecraft.net for block appears while logging into Minecraft. Step 1. Restart Minecraft and PC. Close Minecraft completely. Restart your computer properly. Launch the game again and retry login. Step 2. Check Minecraft server status. Sometimes Minecraft servers go down temporarily. Wait a few minutes before trying again. Retry login after server maintenance ends. Step 3. Verify Microsoft account login. Sign out of your Microsoft account. Log back in with the correct account. Make sure account password is correct. Step 4. Reset internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Reconnect your PC or console to internet. Use stable internet for login authentication. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Turn off active VPN services. Remove proxy settings from Windows. Restart Minecraft after disabling them. Step 6. Clear Minecraft launcher cache. Open Minecraft launcher settings. Clear temporary cache files. Restart launcher and sign in again. Step 7. Update Minecraft launcher. Download the latest launcher update. Install all pending updates. Restart your device after updating. Step 8. Allow Minecraft through firewall. Open Windows Defender firewall. Add Minecraft launcher to allowed apps. Enable both private and public access. Step 9. Repair Xbox and gaming services. Open Microsoft Store. Update Xbox app and gaming services. Restart the PC after installation. Step 10. Reinstall Minecraft launcher. Uninstall Minecraft launcher completely. Delete leftover launcher files and cache. Install a fresh updated version again.